No matter how healthy your teeth are, they depend on the health of your gums. And here's something most people don't realize. If you have ever noticed your gums bleeding when you brush your teeth, or maybe they look a little swollen and red, you might be thinking, hey, it's nothing serious. But what if I told you this could be the first sign of gum disease, a condition that, if left untreated, could lead to tooth loss? Stay with me for the next few minutes because I'm breaking down the different stages of gum disease, how to spot the warning signs early, and most importantly, how to prevent it before it's too late. Before we continue, please support me by subscribing to this educational channel. So, what exactly is gum disease? It comes in two major stages. Gingivitis, the early reversible stage. Your gums may be swollen, red, and bleed easily. Periodontitis. At this point, bacteria have attacked deep under your gums, causing bone loss and loose teeth. And once you reach this stage, there's no going back without professional treatment. These are the red flags you cannot ignore. Gums that are red, swollen, or tender bleeding. When brushing or flossing, chronic bad breath, not just morning breath. Receding gums, making teeth look longer. Loose teeth. The final warning sign. If you have even one of these symptoms, don't panic. But don't ignore it either. The good news, you can stop gingivitis before it turns into periodontitis. Here's how. 1. Brush twice a day, but use the right technique. 2. Floss like your teeth depends on it, because they do. 3. Use an antibacterial mouthwash. It helps kill hidden bacteria. 4. Quit smoking. Seriously, it's one of the worst things for your gums. 5. Visit your dentist every 6 months for a deep cleaning and checkup. And if you already have gum disease, don't wait. A dentist can still help prevent further damage, but only if you act fast. You can visit AnnapolisDentalCenter.com. Check the link in the description below. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever experienced bleeding gums? Drop a message in the comments. Let's talk about it.